Hello friends, welcome to my channel DevOps Vijay. Today we will be learning about how to install Oracle VirtualBox, and on top of that how to create a Ubuntu machine so that in Windows itself we can use the Ubuntu functionalities. Okay, let's go ahead. Go to the internet, search for Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, like I have typed this download Oracle VirtualBox. You'll get the first link, download Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, go to this link. Since you are on Windows host, click on Windows host, where as soon as you click this, it will download VirtualBox. It will download virtualbox.exe. I will not go through the each and every step process for VirtualBox installation. When you click on this exe, it will guide you through. Click, next, next, next. VirtualBox is installed. Next step will be we will be downloading the Ubuntu desktop. Okay, image Ubuntu desktop image. So that's when the VirtualBox will come up. For that, you have to type on internet Ubuntu desktop image. Type this. First link you will get download Ubuntu desktop. Click on this. Okay, you will see this page. Download Ubuntu desktop. Go to the Ubuntu home page. Click on this. Once you come here, you can see the download open source Ubuntu desktop operating systems. Okay, click on download. So once you download, it will download one ISO image. So now I have downloaded both. We have Oracle VM software and Ubuntu operating system image. Okay, once you do this, launch the Oracle VM. How you will launch? Type Oracle VM VirtualBox. Once you click on that, it will open this UI. Okay, once you open this UI, how to add a Ubuntu in your Windows box? I have already added two Ubuntus using the same image. Let's add another one. Click on new. Once you click on new, it will give a pop-up, create virtual machine. Okay, name you can give anything, Ubuntu. You can give test box. Okay, folder virtual VMs, let it be as it is. In ISO image, you have to go and select that image. Okay, you can browse it, or you can, I have already in a drop down, I have already browsed it, so it is coming ISO image. Okay, click on next. Detected OS type Ubuntu. The OS type can be installed unattendedly. Install will start after this wizard is closed. So click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask for username and password. Okay, if you see change me, so you can change it according to your requirement. Like I'll give some guest guest. Okay, additional options: host name, what you want to give the host name, let it be Ubuntu test. Domain name myguest.virtual.org, let it be in the default. Okay, click on next. Now it is about the selection of hardware. Okay, first you have to know what is your CPU and the memory installed in your Windows box. Okay, like right now I have 16 GB and 8 core processor. Okay, out of which what you can do is minimum 2 GB you can select it. So already it has given some default thing. Whatever is coming as a green you can select anywhere. So with Ubuntu, just for testing or just for installing some softwares and doing a testing, 2 GB is enough for a small box. Okay, core, if you have a 8 core CPU you can select 2 core CPU. Okay, otherwise 1 core CPU is also enough. Okay, click on next. Create a virtual disk hard disk now. Let it be hard. This is a virtual hard disk from your ROM. Suppose you have a 200 GB, so by default you can select from 4 MB to 2 TB. So already it has selected and given me 25 GB for working space in Ubuntu. So let it be default. If you have less than this you can select less also, but I'll keep it 25 GB only. Okay, 25 GB. Uses, if you have a existing virtual hard disk file, you can use that also. Do not add a virtual hard disk file. So let it be 25 GB and proceed further. Click on next. Okay, now it has given you summary. What is the name? Machine folder name, ISO image, guest OS type, skip. So all this information, whatever we have given, it is. Now click on finish. Once you click on finish, Ubuntu test powered off. One extra tab came here, and if you see on the right hand side, powering VM up. So now it is spinning up VM. Most important thing for this to work, I know you have already downloaded ISO image, but still it will go to the internet and start downloading some of the libraries and the plugins and all. So without internet, this will not work. Now it is spinning up Ubuntu. In a similar fashion, you can spin up multiple Ubuntus and make sure those are talking to each other. You can create a cluster like that in Windows itself. This is called virtualization. Now you can see it has spinned up a Ubuntu box, and now verifying the installation configurations. Now it will start downloading everything needed for this Ubuntu to work. Similarly, you can download the Red Hat image or any other operating system image and install it. The important point to note here, whatever work you are going to do here, it will not impact your Windows box. It will not delete, it will not do any changes in your Windows box, so you do not have to worry. It is doing some default software installation like VLC, Music, Mozilla. Complete download of software and installation will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Now finally, the installation of Ubuntu OS is done. Now it is starting up Ubuntu. You do not have to click on anything. It will automatically do all this tasks. Now the first login page has come. It is asking for username and password. So which I had, you have to enter the same username and password which you entered while creating the VM. Now my Ubuntu UI or the Ubuntu terminal is ready. Now the question, you can either you can work in this small terminal, you can do anything here. You can see, right? But this is very difficult to work in this small window. You have to make it big. So making it big is, you can do a scaled mode, full screen mode, those things you can do it. Okay, multiple options are there, but those will be not helpful much. Okay, so for that